Okay, we're here at CES 2026 with Dreame. They are a company that specializes a lot in home tech and home innovation, like robo cleaners, vacuums, and some additional things. What I want to start off with first is this unit right here. This is a robotic cleaner for your floors. But what's cool about this is that if you look at the tracks, this can go up your stairs at a fairly high angle, on top of being able to clean whatever you want in your household. Hardwood floors, anything like that. It'll cover most terrain and surfaces. So to see a robo cleaner like this achieve such feats like this, pretty cool, along with having its own charging dock. Next up here at the Dreame Suite, we have the robotic vacuum cleaners. So this is a wet and dry vacuum cleaner. It can both do your regular suction, but also mop your floors as well. There is a reservoir built into the head of this vacuum, which is pretty cool. So it doesn't matter what kind of debris you have on your floor, whether it's dust, cereal, or even like a ketchup spill, this vacuum can do both in a singular unit. You don't have to get a mop or an air vacuum cleaner. It can just be in one, saving you money and saving you time and energy. Well, let's say you wanted to keep things traditional, keep it to just a stick vacuum cleaner. Dreame has a bunch of stuff that is going after competitors, but we have V30, Z30, R20 Pure. I assume these are pretty lightweight. Oh yeah, you have the canister right here that holds all of the stuff that you pick up from your floor. An entertainment screen right here for your different features and sucking modes. And there we go. I think there's a bit of magnets in there that holds it in place, but these are some thin and lightweight stick vacuums that I assume have really good sucking power. Let's keep talking about vacuums though, because here we have the X60 Max Ultra. It's a little shy, it's in its pod, but here on screen you can see this is a completely autonomous robot for your floors if you didn't want to do it manually by hand. This has object detection in case something falls in front of it. It'll stop, go around it, and it also can memorize your floor layout as well with its built-in camera. And I believe there's good connectivity when it comes to access with your phone and getting this thing to track specifically on your phone, not on your phone, on your floor. But yeah, there it is. It's going to do a little demo for us, but this is an autonomous robot for vacuuming your floors. And again, just one of the other ways you can clean your house through using Dreame. Well, we know we're all waiting for Grand Theft Auto 6. We're probably gonna get an extremely nice like villa or mansion, and it's probably gonna have a pool. But if you're fortunate like that in real life and you do have your own pool, Dreame is coming out with their own robotic pool cleaner. This is the Z2 Ultra. This is the top of the line. This is for the big ballers. Why am I covering this? Because objectively, it's pretty cool. This right here has dual access movement through propulsion, either forwards and backwards and up and down. Here's some footage on screen showing you that it can literally climb vertically, because you may be wondering, well, how does this thing dock, once you're done cleaning the pool, because it's completely autonomous? Well, it'll go up to the edge of this ladder that then connects to the charging dock for this pool cleaner. But anyways, this is such a glorious unit of machinery and cleaning tech. If you have a big pool in a house and you don't want to bother cleaning it manually and just want to have your phone say, yep, go ahead and clean, Dreame is offering something very unique to the market with this completely autonomous pool cleaner. And finally, here's the last thing here at the Dreame Suite. This is an autonomous lawnmower for your back or your front yard. This has technically four-wheel drive. It says all-wheel drive on the unit, but it can move in like a tank rotation where like the front right and the rear left can go in one direction, so it can pivot in the same spot. And heck, this unit here actually comes with an extension arm. If it wants to say pick up like any toys that fall in your yard and place it somewhere like in a basket, it will literally pick up your toys and put it wherever you want in your backyard. On top of it, of course, being able to mow, and since this is autonomous and it can do whatever it wants to, you can set up its cleaning schedule to mow your lawn like either every day, once a week, twice a week, once every 2 weeks, whatever you want, and it can go back to its charging dock station and just keep running. And that way you'll never have to mow your backyard ever again. And this thing looks like it can handle some pretty tough terrain. Heck, it's even got 80% climbing power, so it can go up some pretty steep inclines. We're actually exactly 38.7 degrees. Anyways, that is it here at the Dreame Suite for CES 2026. I hope you enjoyed our CES coverage. Probably got one more video coming out after this, but with all that said, thank you so much for watching, and this is the Scatterable channel, signing out.